Imagine holding a device that feels like a normal iPhone in your pocket, but unfolds into a massive, cinematic powerhouse. This isn't just another smartphone. This is the moment the mobile world changes forever. The first ever foldable iPhone has leaked again, and the details are absolutely wild. We are looking at a design that doesn't just copy the competition, it tries to crush it. For years, Apple watched from the sidelines while Samsung and Google experimented with folding glass. Now, the tech giant is ready to step into the arena with what might be called the iPhone Ultra or the iPhone Fold. This isn't just a prototype anymore. The renders and specs we're seeing suggest a device that is more ambitious than anything Apple has ever attempted. It's thinner, smarter, and more powerful than we ever imagined. The design philosophy here is uniquely Apple. While most foldables are tall and skinny, Apple is going wider and shorter. When you hold it unfolded, it's meant to feel familiar, like the iPhones you already know, but with a massive injection of screen real estate. The numbers are staggering. We are hearing it measures just 9.5 millimeters when folded, but when you open it up, it slims down to a mind-blowing 4.5 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the ultra-slim iPhone Air is 5.6 millimeters thick. This foldable would actually be the thinnest iPhone ever made. It even beats the Galaxy Z Fold 7's open thickness of 4.2 millimeters when you consider the overall footprint. Apple is blending titanium and aluminum for the frame, a combination we haven't seen before, making it both incredibly light and dangerously strong. They are even testing self-healing glass to make sure those accidental scratches disappear over time. One of the biggest complaints about foldables is the crease in the middle of the screen. Apple is reportedly solving this with a precision-engineered liquid metal hinge. This hinge uses 3D printed parts and a glass support structure to keep the display almost perfectly flat. The rumor is that the crease will be a tiny 0.15 millimeters, which is practically invisible to the human eye. While Samsung Display is providing the tech, Apple has designed its own custom route to ensure the durability meets their legendary standards. The main display is a massive 7.8-inch canvas. For the cover screen, sources are split between a 5.3 or 5.5-inch panel. While that outer screen sounds a bit small for some, the real magic happens inside. And here is a shocker. Apple might be debuting an under-display camera on that inner screen. This means a completely seamless viewing experience with no notches, no pills, and no hole punches. Samsung recently moved away from this tech, but Apple seems confident they've perfected it. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. It's expected to run on the A20 Pro chip, paired with a massive 12 GB of RAM. This is pro-level performance designed to handle the heavy multitasking that comes with a foldable screen. Storage will start at 256 GB, and it will feature Apple's first in-house SATA modem for lightning-fast 5G. But the most impressive spec might be the battery. We are hearing reports of a 5,800 mAh capacity. That is significantly larger than the iPhone 17 Pro Max and even beats the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 8. Apple is making this possible by shrinking the internal display drivers to pack in more battery cells. This is crucial because powering two screens, including a nearly 8-inch main display, takes a lot of juice. On the software side, iOS 27 is being built from the ground up to support this new form factor. We're expecting a totally revamped interface that shifts and adapts as you fold the device. Even the physical layout is changing. All the buttons, including the volume rockers, are reportedly moving to the left side. There is no SIM tray, as Apple moves fully toward eSIM technology. It's almost like two iPhone Airs were fused together to create the ultimate machine. Even Apple executives like John Terney have hinted that the innovations in the iPhone Air would pave the way for future products, and this seems to be exactly what he meant. Now, let's talk about the catch. Innovation like this doesn't come cheap. Price estimates are starting at $2,000, with some analysts predicting it could climb as high as $2,400. That puts it in a very exclusive category. As for the release date, we might have to wait a little longer. While production was originally rumored for July, engineering a device this thin is hard. We might see a teaser alongside the iPhone 18 in September, but the actual launch might slide into December 2026 or even early 2027. We should always take leaks with a grain of salt, especially from sources like John Prosser who have been hit or miss in the past. However, with so many supply chain reports lining up, this feels more real than ever. In my opinion, this could be the most important product Apple has released since the original iPhone. If they can truly deliver a screen with no visible crease and a battery that lasts all day, they will reset the standard for the entire industry. Most people have been hesitant to buy foldables because of durability and beta testing vibes. Apple entering the market signifies that the technology is finally ready for the masses. It's expensive, yes, but for a device that replaces your phone, your tablet, and potentially your laptop, it might just be the ultimate all-in-one tool. Apple, in just making a foldable, they are trying to make the perfect foldable. If they succeed, the wait will have been worth every second. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the future of tech.